Hello, and welcome to RemzakRC. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to be discussing this, a Cessna-inspired chuck glider. I was looking around, and there really aren't that many chuck gliders that either look realistic and still fly well, or that look realistic and aren't warbirds. They're all warbirds, and they're all kind of unsatisfactory in terms of factory-built kits. So I set out to make a easily replicated Cessna-inspired chuck glider. I think it looks pretty good, especially with the detailing, and I really like the way that the body shape turned out. This was built out of 1/8 inch balsa wood and 1/16 inch. The body is all 1/8 inch balsa wood, and the wings and tail are all 1/16 inch. For weight, I used a quarter and a penny, and that provided the right amount of nose weight that I needed. Your results may vary depending on how much your balsa weighs, but that's what I used. Generally, for free flight, you want about a 40% CG if you don't have a lifting tail, so this balance is right around 40%. Right on 40%. And because of that, it flies very nicely. The horizontal stabilizer and wing are both one piece. The horizontal stabilizer is in a slot, and the wing is glued on top, and I did that to maximize rigidity and minimize how much they break, because if you do a two-piece wing, every time you crash into a hard surface like a rock, bam, wings pop off and break. So because everything is one piece, or everything that can be one piece is one piece, this is very strong. I have yet to break it, even though I've hit a few rocks and hit some asphalt. Hi, that's the end of today's normal episode. After this, there will be a short segment if you want to build the plane, just some photos and some necessary information, but I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. The build is actually very simple. I have measurements for all the dimensions, and then you can simply round the corners and sand off all of your markings if you made any marks. There's an article up on flighttest.com where I detail how to build, and at the end of the video I will have pictures with captions that you could probably figure out how to build it from, but the article's more in depth. If you want to build one of these, you should read the article. I go step by step through how to build one. If you want to build one of these, you'll need two types of balsa wood. You'll need 13 inches by 3 inches of 1/8 inch balsa wood, and 24 inches by 3 inches of 1/16 balsa wood. It should be very cheap to build. Both of these can be purchased at any hobby store or model store, any arts and crafts store. You can find them almost anywhere, and it doesn't really matter the grade of the balsa or the weight, because for this type of build it's not really important.